So hello everyone, we have Miss Priyanshi Kumar with us. Hi Priyanshi, how are you?
I'm good. Hi Anushka.
So we'll start with something about yourself.
Yes. Hi, I'm Priyanshi Kumar and I belong to Jaipur itself. I did my graduation from ISD to University and currently I'm pursuing PGDM program from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Jaipur, and being specialization in HR and marketing.
So why Jaipuria, Jaipur?
Yes, so when I was deciding my university for my post-graduation, so I was like that that should perfectly fit and give me a growth aspect in professionally as well as personally. So, and also one of my friend was having being an alumni here, so she gave me her a fantastic experience and how it has been a game changer for her professional journey, and also considering the factors like the campus environment along with the programs they have been offering.
So very absolutely rightly said that the professional pursuit as well as the holistic development exists. So let's talk about your internship. Where have you done it from and how has it helped in your placements?
Yes, so I did my internship from Web Global Limited, Jaipur in HR, and it is the the company where I have actually landed as my placement as well.
Right.
So
wow.
Yes. So the experience actually there is has provided me the hands-on experience and how real world has challenges and the experience you get, and even I got the chance how I can apply my basic knowledge or the theoretical knowledge into the practical aspect. And when talking about the role, so basically the experience that I got there is actually directly relevant how the role that has been offered to me. Along with that, I would say that that has given actually me a head start and a confidence that now I can transit into a new position as an MTHR there.
Wonderful. So in all this time where we are all stuck with so many professional things to carry on, what have been your prominent hobbies?
Okay, so when talking about the hobbies, it includes the reading, writing, and of course painting, because when I'm idle or I have some free time apart from the upskilling myself, so then I usually go for jot downs my ideas, creative things, and with the help of art I can do that in better way.
Quite nicely said. I to myself think that hobbies are an integral part of any journey. So what is your best part of living in Jaipuria?
Okay, so best part I would say that the multiple opportunities you get here for personal as well as the professional development. And I would say I have actively participated in various activities, including being a part of a discipline committee, attending various workshops. Along with that, one of the best experience was being the part of the NGO, as a part of a winter internship. And when truly that made an exceptional, experience for my college life would be the friends I have found and made, because they not only have supported me as well as they have enriched my overall journey.
That's amazing. So with the last question, your one-line quotation that you will like to pass on to your juniors, and just need that.
Okay, so one of the quotes or the one of the things that I believe in, that is quoted by Winston Churchill. So basically believes that success is not the final and failure is not the fatal. It's the courage that continues and that continues to need to be counted. So as an MBA student, we can resonate that success is not just the being about achievements, it's about setbacks as well. So in the end, I would like to say to the juniors that you should just keep improving and you should just focus on your goals, and of course don't forget to enjoy the journey, and just try to explore as much as you can on your journey.
So thank you Priyanshi. Hope we'll all be courageous in accepting failures and stand as much as you did. So thank you.
Thank you.